I'd like to thank YikTOL for going through and sending me this dog grooming kit, which includes a 300-watt vacuum cleaner. It's very nice. Basically, you got a hose and you have the grooming kit for the vacuum, and it pulls the hair in after you cut it. My wife used to be a dog groomer, so she's going to go through and show you some footage here as I talk more about it. Here we have the box that it came in and all the pieces. There are 11 grooming accessories all together with clippings, combs, brushes, de-shedding, everything you can think of. And it is very nice. This is it after it's all set up. And we got that little tray, which they all sit nicely on it. Then you have the 2.5 liter area that can hold all the hair, which is nice. It does have a low, medium, and high setting. You can see how it goes through and opens up there. It also does have a HEPA filter, which is nice. The grooming suction has an intricate design, which you'll see once it starts being used.
Let's turn it on. Okay, this is quiet mode. This is, what was mode number 2 called? Standard mode. And this one's boost. Okay.
Now we're going to go through and basically use the de-shedding tool to get some hair. And you can see it goes in there and then it just sucks in through the tube itself. The tube is wired, so it is connecting from the vacuum to the handles, which is really amazing that they have electric running through the tube. That does work on everything except for the nail grooming kit. That does take batteries, but everything else will work through this way. So here's another attachment to go through and brush, and it'll go through and pull her hair directly off, which is nice. They do have a specially designed foot trimmer and nail polisher that can be used, and everything is easy to carry. And you can see here, you can put it on different modes to suck the hair in. Sometimes it might get caught on the outside. If so, just kind of use your finger, push it in, and it'll go right in for you. And you can see it spinning up inside the container there in the background. So we also do have a clipper. The clipper is nice. You can't cut the dog because of how the clipper is designed. There is also a guard on it before you use it. Our dog was a little scared, mainly because she doesn't like vacuum cleaners. But overall, you know, my wife used it and said it's a lot better than the way she was doing everything. So it's a lot better than using regular clippers because, you know, you have no mess. And then we're going to use another one. This one can be used to get the dog hair off your clothes, or we're just using it on her to kind of warm her up to it. She didn't mind this one because it's just basically like a light brush with a little bit of suction. Overall, the kit was amazing. It's something we're going to be using all the time when it's time to go through and groom the dog because she sheds a lot. So all these tools are really going to help out. My name is Kevin from Helpful Tutorials, and I hope this is helpful.